We're all pretty girls who run the world. Skin color doesn't matter, hair straight up curl. They shining like a pearl. All my pretty girls, now let me see you stand up and do the pretty girl twirl. Blue jeans, cute top, pink Crocs, no socks, nails done, hair rock. We're all pretty girls.
Back at Target, Jordan is about to pick what?
A birthday gift for Jada because tomorrow's her birthday party.
Yeah. What do you think? Do you know how well do you know your sister? What's her favorite color?
Pink.
Nope, it's blue.
What?
What is she into?
She's into like, I won't say like, I say more squishmallows
Okay. Yeah, she do squishmallows, yeah.
And like,
come on.
slime kits and stuff.
Slime.
And
The buzz about to go off.
Wait, what's that one called?
You said it in the car.
What?
You said Stitch.
Stitch.
What you pick out already? Stitch? Oh yeah, she gonna love that. She's into the girl stuff now, but I don't know if she's into like just dolls. I have no idea. She like the LOLs and stuff, but looking for the slime. The slime kits. Ooh, $140. I'll tell you.
Breaking like 2 days.
I'm telling you. They got magic mixies up there. You see it? Is that slime? Create 70 potions. What is this? Is it slime though? I don't know. We're gonna touch it, we're gonna get it, we're gonna find out. Alright, Jordan picked everything out. He got the Squishmallows, t-shirt,
A makeup kit.
she got a makeup kit because she loves makeup.
And Stitch.
Look. She's spoiled. She got her brother buying her gift. Okay, y'all, it is Monday, February 19th. I just got through blowing up all these balloons for Jada's birthday tomorrow. I'm just gonna throw them all over her rooms. I look rough, but it's 11, like 13 at night. She got me up here blowing balloons, but I'm just gonna sprinkle them all around her room, so I'm hoping she don't wake up. She is a light sleeper, so throwing them in there because I'm scared she about to wake up, so I'm about to just toss them in there. Alright, y'all, that was the last balloon. She didn't wake up, so see y'all in the morning when we wake her up for her birthday. Let's go. Alright, y'all, we are right outside of Jada's door. It is 6:15 in the morning. It's February 20th, her birthday, so let's go ahead and wake up. And I got my bonnet on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, girl. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, girl. And she's just really in a deep sleep, y'all. No, she did not wake up. Oh, happy birthday.
I'm about to go get my nails done.
You silly girl. Jada got her nails done. Show them, girl. Show them. Ooh, that's your birthday nail.
Yes.
Okay. Whew. made it to altitude, y'all. Got the reserve for dinner. You ready for your birthday party, girl? You ready?
Yeah.
You ready for it to jump off?
Yeah.
You get it? Jump off.
Yep.
No, you.
Don't jump and fall.
Good, isn't it? 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Gotta blow harder than that, girl. Yeah. Ooh.
LOL, Hello Kitty. Yes, yeah. Let's go ahead and unbox this baby. I hope it's Coromi. Yep. Please don't tell me this is Hello Kitty. Please be cinnamon roll. Okay, you got the dress. I'll figure it out later. I think I took this one already. I don't know. Hold on, let me see. What is this? This is probably the doll. It's so big. And then what I tell you, it's the doll. Okay, let's get dressing this baby. If this girl have a big head. Not trying to be rude. Oh. I don't even know what that. Okay, let's get her dress on. I can't even get her dress on. How am I supposed to put a skirt? Am I that dumb? What? Oh, I think this is supposed to be the shoes. Are these the shoes? Ooh. Yeah. Okay. You got the tiniest hand to hold it. I'll get that later. I don't know where this to go. Okay. I told you. Okay. Peace.